Hello all, welcome to C Programming Learning. In this video we will understand while loop. So we can say while loop is the most basic loop in C programming and it is used to repeat a block of certain code. A while loop has only one control expression or a specific condition we can say, and it will execute as long as the given expression is true. Now let's look at the syntax. Now here we have written one condition. So while is a repetitive or iterative loop, we can say that it will again use the statements to be get executed repeatedly, and then it will operator incrementation or decrementation, that is nothing but the updation of the operator, and it will check after updating again the condition will get checked, and this way repeatedly the while loop will get executed unless and until the condition will become false. Now here we will understand the same by using one application. What we are going to make today is we will find out factorial of any number by using a while loop. So factorial is a number of a positive multiplications of the given number, that is it is nothing but the multiplication of the n number. So we can find out the factorial by using while loop. So now first of all we'll start with the file new empty file. So let's start with an hash include stdio.h, a standard input output header file, and we'll start with an integer main function. So it is a multiplication of positive integer, that is the factorial. So integer n we require, then we will also require I, and then a result, that is factorial. Now n is the number which will be given by the user. Suppose you want factorial of 5, then you can put 5 in the value of n. So first of all we will initialize factorial to 1, factorial and I, that is the iteration or a conditional operator we can say. So we would write f equal to I equal to 1. So we have initialized these variables to 1. Now we will take out n from the user, that is of which number you want a factorial of. So we will write down enter the number to find its factorial. So if you put 5, then it will multiply like 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 till 1. From 5 it will multiply. So this is nothing but the factorial of that number, and then we will read the given output from scanf, which is we used to read the output from output screen or a keyboard we can say. So we'll put scanf %d is a placeholder to read integer data, and we'll assign the same to n. So here we have taken the number from the user of which we want a factorial. After that let's go to the main topic, that is the while loop. So in while loop what I am going to write inside this block, while I will be less than or equal to n. So here we have written a condition. Now inside while loop I'll write down f equal to factorial, f equal to first of all f into I, semicolon, and then I plus plus. So now as per the syntax, first of all we'll start the factorial multiplication from the 1. So it will be 1 into I. So I have to make it in a small way like this, yeah. And then after doing this we have to update the operator, that's what we have written here, I plus plus. So when f will be 1, so I will be 1 at initial, it will be 1 into 1, then I will become 2, and then this program control will go to here up, then this condition will get executed. If this condition is true, again this repetitive loop will get executed till the value which it encounters as n. So if you put n is equal to 2, so So if it is becomes I equal to 2, then the program will get out of this loop. Now here we have to print the resulting statement of our factorial multiplication. We would write printf in bracket the factorial of given number will be in a integer format, so percentage d is nothing but will be in a also in a percentage d format, that is integer format, and then we will complete this colon here, comma n comma f, because the first is the user entered value, that is of which you want a factorial, and this another percentage d is for the result of factorial, that is nothing but our f. So we have written in this way and written 0. So in this way we have written a while loop. So it is a repetitive loop unless and until the condition becomes false, then the program will come out of this loop. So we have written this project, we will save it. So save file as factorial.c. So after saving this, we would build it. So if build finished with 0 error, let's run it. So first of all, it will ask you to find out the factorial of which number. So we can put 4 and click enter. So you can find out. Here you will get the result. The factorial of 4 is 24, as 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 4 into 3 is 12, 12 into 2 is 24, and 24 into 1 is 24. So answer is correct. Let's try with another number. So we will write, we'll run it again and we'll put 5 here. So factorial of 5 is 120. So it will multiply 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 unless and until I becomes equal to the n, which is given by the user. So this way we have understood syntax and flowchart of while and its application for making factorial of any user entered number. I hope you understood today's program. Thank you.